Alright friends, now we have come to increment and decrement operators. So what are these? Plus plus and minus minus. So let's define an integer value. A equals to 150. Its value 150 at the start. So I want to increase or decrease it. Let's define another variable called result. I say integer result. Okay. Now I will either increment or decrement the value. So when I want to increment, I can write like this: int result equals to plus plus a. So what does it mean? Plus plus a. I use plus plus before the variable. It's pre-increment. It means it increase a by 1 before using its value. So here a, it was 150, so a becomes 151 and result also becomes 151. So let's print result. I come here, I print this result, I save it, and then I come here, I say javac main java, I compile it and I run it. Yes, 151. Super. So if I want to decrease it, what I need to do? I need to use minus a. So I run again. Java main.java. You see, I decrease a value first. It becomes 199, 149, and then I assign 149 to the result variable. So I print this result variable. So as I told you, this is pre-increment. I have also post-increment. It means I can use this plus plus or minus minus operator after this variable. It means first use this value and then increase or decrease. So I will show you the differences in the next lesson, which is so important because this is a common interview question.